Hi guys, Dave here from DaveFinReviews.com and thanks for joining me on my bonus review video. So this is just a review of the bonuses for the upcoming launch of Viral Studio. That is live on the 19th of January at 11 AM Eastern Time. So if you click the link below this video, you're going to come through to this page, which is my bonus page, and you can read a bit more about Viral Studio and all that stuff, the upsells and all that information. There's even a demo video there that you can watch. I will be doing a full review and video demo inside the members area and all that stuff, but I just want to quickly run through these bonuses. So the first bonus I've got is a secret little viral strategy to help you get more traffic from YouTube. How to increase your profits using viral Instagram. How we can use evergreen content and social media marketing to get targeted traffic. The 2019 traffic strategy to generate fast traffic to your content for free. The simple hack that you can use to get fast free traffic and leads, again for free. And I'm also going to be throwing in all the vendor bonuses on the sales page. So basically what happens is a lot of affiliates use those bonuses to give to you. I'm giving you those as well, just so you don't miss out, along with the bonuses I've just mentioned. Plus I'm also going to be adding some additional bonuses, which in my full review, which I'll be doing later on today, you'll get full details of all those bonuses. So these are all traffic based bonuses, different strategies, that kind of stuff, alternative strategies for traffic that you can use with Viral Studio. So if you want to check this page out, you can just click the link below this video and you can have a read through of that. Okay guys, thanks a lot, bye.